Hey guys, it's Joe from Galvin's Garage. We're here at John's shop in Dwight, Illinois, working on the Streamliner. It's been about, well, today's the February 17th. It's been about 5 months since we started this thing with a pile of mild steel tubing. So I'm going to go ahead and switch the camera around and we're going to film around the car. All right. So here we go. Kind of cleaned up the shop a little bit. It was a mess. We've been working on this thing, but we got it on the ground and got the suspension in, put the mock-up motor back in it with the transmission, the rear end, all the steering. Batteries are kind of generally mounted just to give us an idea of how we want to set this up. Fuel cell, we're going to put that on rails. It's going to extend out a little bit because off the front of the engine block, we're going to be running an external pump for the dry sump oiling system, which we're going to need because we're going to be running at such high RPMs. And so we'll get that kind of squared away here in a little bit. So we got it together just so we can fit everything. And then come next week, it's a little sunny today. Come next week, we're going to have our welder from Michigan come down and he's going to finish weld everything. So we have a rotisserie that we're going to put the entire chassis on. We're going to take it apart. We're going to take everything out of it. The tandem rear axles, they're offset if you can see. It turned out really nice. It should be very stable. Hand-built water tank. That's what's going to keep the engine cool. I think I showed you guys the steering assembly. This is pretty neat. So we just undo the wing nut here. And then there's a tensioner, which is kind of cool. Well, let me just put the camera down. All right. So steering is still going to click out of the way, which is really neat. It's going to allow the driver, me, to get in and out of it and at them, and which is good. So oil tank is going to go here. That's for the dry sump system. And got our airbag suspension, our shocks, see our steering assembly. All right. Anyway, so I hope to post some more videos soon, but just to give you an idea of the progress that we're making. I really appreciate you guys watching. You can leave comments if you'd like. I'll try to respond. But please subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.